I'm ready. Okay. Okay. Pencil. Page 161. Okay. We in this part of the chapter 3.8, we're gonna learn how can you count and write up to 9 with words and numbers. Okay. First, we need to count, trace the number, and we need to say the number as we trace it. And then we are going to write the number in words. So get your pencil and remember, we need to make a mark on top of each of the cubes until we count them all. Ready? Where's my pencil? There you go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 cubes. Now we're gonna trace the number 9 and we need to say the number. 9, 9, that way. 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Now we're gonna find out how many dogs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're gonna write the word 9. This is the number 9 in words. 9. 9. Okay. Keep working with me. So we're gonna go to the next page. Clear my drawings and let's go to the next page. So look at the picture. Circle all the sets of 9 objects. Okay, we're gonna start with the bears and I need someone to help me count. So Leah, can you help me count? So I'm just gonna tap on it and when you see the mark in there, you are counting with me, okay? Saying a number. You ready? There's 1. Can hear you, Leah. You cannot. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
9.
yeah, there's 9. So do we circle or do we cross them out, Leah? Circle, because we're looking for 9 for groups of 9. Thank you, Leah.
You're welcome.
Okay, now you can mute your microphone. Okay, who else I have there? Petra. Can you help me count the next set? Okay, unmute your microphone and count for me. There's 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, there's 8 on this group. Do I circle it or cross them out?
Cross them out.
Yeah, we're looking for groups of 9. Thanks, Petra. Okay, ready, Emilio? Help me count the dogs. I need to hear your voice and you're counting for me, okay? Ready? There's 1. Emilio, I can't hear you, mijo. Just unmute your microphone. Ready? 1, 2. Can you hear you, Emilia?
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, do I circle the 9 dogs or cross them out?
Circle them.
Thanks, Amelia, you're paying attention. Yep, we'll circle it. We're looking for sets of 9. Good job. Thanks, Amelia. Okay, Desmond, I know you're there. Can you unmute your microphone? You're gonna help me count this set of the rings. Ready? Let me erase that. And I'll do that. Ready, Desmond? Unmute your microphone and help me count these rings. I'm gonna start on the bottom with the yellow one. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. There's 9 rings. Do I circle them or X them out?
Circle them.
Thank you, Desmond. You're paying attention. Yep, we're looking for sets of 9. Okay, I need, what else I have there? Raylene, can you help me count the other set of rings? Can you unmute your microphone?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start from the bottom. Ready?
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. 8 rings. Do I circle them or do I put an X on them?
8 on them.
Thanks, Raylene. Yep, we're looking for sets of 9. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, I hope you're working with me. Let me clear all my drawings. Okay, there you go. Okay, we need to say the name of the number as we trace them, okay? Because we know that this is the number 9. Ready? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, now I'm gonna need Calvin. Can you help me count these tickets on the number 3? So I'm gonna touch every ticket and you say that you're counting for me, okay? Ready, Calvin? There's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oops. Do we have 10 tickets? Should we count again?
9.
9. Okay. Thank you, Calvin, for counting again. Okay. Sometimes when we count, we need to go back and count again, especially if we're counting too fast. Okay. Thanks for counting again. So I'm going to write the number 9, and I already know how to write it because I start from the top, go around, and from top to the bottom. Thanks, Calvin. Now you can mute your microphone. I need, what else do I have there? I forgot the list. Bed. I know I see you. Can you help me count the pink tickets? Yes, unmute your microphone and help me count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, there's 8 tickets. And number 8, we start on the top like an S, and then we go back and cross them out. That is one way to write 8, but we also can write it an easiest way. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I can erase this. Ready? You can also use like a circle on top and a circle on the bottom. Whatever is easier for you, okay? That's number 8. Number 5, I need Richard. Can you help me count the green tickets? Ready?
New tickets for her.
Count the,
Ready? I'm gonna touch them and
you
you
count
say the
those for
number.
count them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many
No,
tickets?
no,
How many tickets are there?
say it, count it louder, but just count the tickets. Don't keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How
9.
many tickets?
Tell her 9.
9.
You don't hear him
9.
counting, do you?
Yes, I hear him.
Oh,
Yes, I
okay.
hear him. Thank you. Okay, so 9, remember, it's pretty easy. We go around like an O or a 0, and then we put a line together.
Okay,
There
you
you
got that.
Thank
Good
you,
boy.
Richard. Okay. Tomas, help me count the last tickets on purple. Ready? Unmute your microphone.
I'm unmuted.
Okay, help me count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, there's 9 tickets. Now write the number. We go around like a 0 and from top to the bottom line. Okay, thanks, Tomas. Okay, let me see.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we're going to the next page because we're working together and that's faster to finish. Let me erase this. I'm erasing. So here are our directions. Eva wants to find the sets that has a number of bears 1 less than 10. Circle those sets. What do we know? We know because she told us that she's looking for groups of bears that has 1 less than 10. Okay. How can we find that? Let me use my pencil. I know that she's looking for 1 less than 10. So I'm gonna draw 10 objects. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10, but she's looking for groups that has 1 less. Okay, now let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 less than 10, it's 9. So we're looking for groups of how many? I haven't here from Beth. So we're gonna look for groups of how many?
9.
9. Okay, let's look for groups from 9. Okay, help me count this purple group, Beth, now that you're on mute. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So are we gonna circle this group? Or
Yeah.
X them out?
Yeah.
Yes, we are looking for groups of how many?
9.
Okay, how many bears are here?
6.
So are we gonna circle this set? or just put an X on them?
X.
Yes, Beth, because we're looking for groups of 9. Because 10 with one less is 9. Okay, thank you, Beth. Sadie, can you help me count the green bears, please? Unmute your microphone. Ready?
One. There's one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, there is 6 bears on this set. Do I circle them or X them out?
X amount.
Yes, Sadie, because we're looking for sets of 9.
Good job.
Okay, thank you. Good job.
You're welcome.
Good job, Sadie. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one. Ready? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we're looking for sets of 9. So I'm gonna make a circle around. Ooh. Now we need 2 colors for this last one, okay, for the number 8. So it said, draw a set that has a number of objects 2 greater than 7. Okay, and then we're gonna write how many are there all together. So they say to draw first what we know. We know that it's 2 greater than 7. The first thing to do is I'm gonna ask Calvin, what's the first thing we need to do? What do we know? How many are there? What number they given us?
9.
But what number are they giving us to start with? We need objects 2 greater than 7. What's the number they given us?
7.
7. So we're gonna start with 7 because they said 2 greater than 7, but we for sure know that there is 7. So I'm gonna draw 7. I'm gonna use color red because that's the counters we mostly use. I'm gonna do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know that's 7. So if they tell us 2 greater than 7, how many in yellow do I need to draw, Calvin?
1.
One more in yellow? How many they said?
That was somebody else. That was
Oh.
not me.
Please don't unmute your microphone unless I call you, because then I get confused. Okay, Calvin, we're working on this. We know they gave us the number 7 and the direction said 2 greater than 7. So how many in yellow do I need to draw? How many more they tell us?
1 more.
One more? Do they say one number greater than 7? On how many they said? You want me to read it?
2 more.
2 more, yeah, those are our directions, see? So draw a set that has a number that is 2 greater than 7. So we know there's a 7 and there's 2 more because it's 2 greater. Now we need to find out how many altogether. Okay, now help me count. Give me a second, okay? Give me a second. 1, 2, we need to count this together. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
so how many altogether?
9.
9, there you go. So 2 greater than 7, it's 9. Okay. Thank you, Calvin. So your homework is page, let me clear this up. Your homework is going to be page 165, which is this page where you need to trace the number 9. Then you need to count the sets, write the number on each, and page 166. Okay? So this is your homework. And you can now either work on the homework for around 5 minutes, which is your break, or work later, or work on these pages later, okay?